So, hi dear Aries, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general health, career, and finances reading for all the Aries Sun, Moon, Venus rising for the month of April 2026. Please keep in mind that it's a general reading. It might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry too much about it. Just leave it. For personal reading, healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course and Ho'oponopono master class 2, links are given below. So let's start. Okay. For your health, let's see what we have, Aries, for this month. So we have the Justice card. So whatever you are going to do with your health, you are going to get the result as per your karma, as per your actions. If you are going to take care of your health, you are going to get good results, you are going to get good health. If you are going to ignore, if you are going to take it for granted, then accordingly you are going to get the results. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you. Justice here represents doing the right thing, making sure you are doing everything right from your side in order to maintain a good health. Otherwise, if you're going to take it for granted, it's not going to go well for you guys. It's like strict diet or strict regime that you have to follow, especially if you guys are having some kind of issues in your health. Okay, let's see the guidance here for you guys. Ten of Swords. See, the worst is over. If you are fearing that something bad is going to happen, if you are going to take care of your health, your diet, your regime, your medicines, and whatever you guys should do in order to maintain a good health, I don't think so it's going to be something bad or there is something that is going to go out of hands. Might be you guys had a recent recent event in which you had a terrible experience with your health. But again, if you are going to take care of your health, if you are going to do everything right from your side, you don't have to fear for the wrong thing here. Everything is going to be fine. But again, if you are going to do like if you are going to take your health for granted, and if you are going to do shitty things, then you have to actually suffer also. Let's see for those of you who are doing job or working for others. King of Cups. Okay, you guys are going to be very content. You guys are going to feel like wherever you are getting the good results of your hard work. So when it comes to your career, especially when you are doing job, working for others, you guys are going to feel very content and calm. And you guys are going to actually get some kind of recognition or rewards or awards, or somebody is going to recognize your hard work and they are going to praise you also, the higher authorities. So in terms of your work, Aries, you guys are going to feel very content and happy, and it's going to be like your hard work paying off. Guidance is the Queen of Swords. You guys have to have stronger communication skills and stronger boundaries. You don't have to allow everybody to walk all over you, or you are doing all of the work and somebody is taking uh, like uh, the credit for your hard work. Okay, don't allow anybody to take the credit of your hard work, to give you tough time, or you have to keep yourself protected from the environment. There might be jealous people, there might be people who are not liking your work because you are doing really good. And stronger boundaries, clear communication, any kind of misunderstanding can create any kind of issues here, some kind of issues here. For those of you who are having self-employment or a business thing, Judgment card, something that was not working out in your favor will start working out again. It's like the dead coming back from their graves, like these people are coming out of their graves and praying to this angel. So which means that your prayers, your visualizations, your manifestation that your business or your self-employment thing should start improving will actually be heard, and something that's not working out in your favor when it comes to your business thing will start working out in your favor. You will be able to recover some kind of losses, and or you guys will be able to bring your business thing back to life. The guidance is the two of swords. You might not be able to see the clear picture of what you should do and what you should not do when it comes to your business thing. Don't feel like this is something that you will never be able to manage or never be able to resolve. Taking advice or taking help from somebody who is working in the same line, or some like connecting with some kind of expert person, is going to help you to open up your mind and open up the gates of new opportunities within the same business thing. For some of you, you guys took a pause, or you guys were taking a break or something. Now you guys will be able to start again, but there is going to be a lot of confusion, lot of ifs and buts and whatnot. For that, you guys should connect with somebody who can help you to come out of this confused state of mind or blocked energies. Okay, so they are manageable. It's not like that you guys will not be able to handle it or manage it. For those of you who are like looking for another opportunities, whether it's a business or job thing, whether you are a fresher or experienced, we have the Queen of Pentacles, Aries. So this card represents a very very positive energy. There are very good chances that you guys will be able to get some kind of very mature, very grounded and very stable kind of opportunity that has the potential to give you some kind of long term stability in your life, whether it's a business thing or job thing. So keep on searching, keep on giving your interviews, keep on sending your resumes. I do feel there are very good chances you are going to get something good that has the potential to give you long term stability. For business people, keep on sending your ideas to the investors, or keep on moving ahead with confidence. There are very good chances of you guys hitting the jackpot very very soon. Guidance here is the Five of Cups. Stop crying over spilled milk. The things, the people, the situations that we cannot do anything about anymore. Don't cry over those things that you cannot change or control. Instead, focus on the positives, focus on those things, those situations that you can change and control in your favor, right? So, crying over spilled milk is not going to give you anything good in return. But whatever you have, appreciate whatever you have and be in this attitude of gratitude that whatever universe gave you is really very, very good. And now from this point onwards, you are going to make sure that you are going to focus on the positives rather than the negatives, okay? For your finances, we have the Fool card. Do not take unnecessary risks when it comes to your finances. You might get infatuated or very attracted to the idea of making some kind of risky decision or risky choice when it comes to your finances. Do not, under any circumstances, do any kind of foolishness when it comes to your money, your savings, or your investments, because it might cost you later on. So, any kind of recklessness or carelessness made in this direction of your finances can cost you something that you might not be able to recover, because it's a major arcana card. Whatever steps, whatever infatuation or attraction you're having towards your finances, like whatever reckless energy you have regarding your finances, calm down your horses and just take the right steps in the right direction. Okay. The guidance is the Tower. See, if you don't want any kind of unnecessary trouble in your life, if you don't want any kind of collapsing or sudden not sudden, unexpected shocking energies in your finances in your investment sector, don't do anything foolish. Maybe somebody is going to like tell you a scheme or something. Somebody will try to scam you or do some kind of fraud with you, but they are going to make you feel like this is the best investment plan, this is the best saving plan, this is going to like give you like a double amount and triple amount in 4 days, 5 days, 10 days, 15 days. There are lots of people in the marketplace who are like thugs. Okay, so try not to get infatuated or attracted to the idea of getting like rich overnight, and keep this in mind that all that glitters is not gold at all, right? Sometimes too good to be true things are not good, actually they are the worst. Okay, so that definitely you guys have to keep in mind, otherwise there are good chances of you losing your hard earned money on something really very very stupid. So try not to do that. Okay, so thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.